Welcome back, guys. It is dessert time, and we are giving you the best of gluten-free, vegan, raw desserts. It tastes so fantastic. You have no idea how good this is. We're here today with Sylvia from culiraw.com. Make sure to check it out. And of course, these desserts are invented by my dear friend, Katerina. Hello, what's up to you? She's amazing. Came up with this stuff with her partner, Sylvia. Tell them what's actually in these ingredients with these peanut butter cups and these incredible bites over here.
So all of our desserts are mostly made of dates, cashew, walnut, cacao, and coconut oil in different ratios. And then on top of that, we only use spices like vanilla, matcha, cinnamon, and that's how we make these delicious desserts.
It's amazing, guys, and I've been watching, them grow for the past few years, and their company is incredible, and especially this holiday, to get this is unbelievable. Make sure to subscribe and follow for updates, by the way, because we're going to have brand new specials coming for the different holidays like Valentine's Day, Christmas, Hanukkah, etc. It's terrific. And also, a lot of these things are kosher, possibly, as well.
Yes.
So that makes it really incredible. So ask about that as well when you guys order. And again, it's culiraw.com, which stands for
culinary and raw.
Exactly, right. And it's so let's try some together.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it'll be really great. By the way, for those of you who don't know, this is comic book artist, writer, and director Graig Weich from BeyondComics.tv, hence these superhero characters you see behind me. And as a lot of you know, I have allergies, so it's really great to try special things like this today. So let's start out with this. Is this like a raw brownie?
It's a brownie bite.
Oh my God, this looks so
it's
good.
It's full of chocolate. It's delicious. Vegan, gluten-free, guilt-free, sugar-free. What's the taste?
So good. So good. Oh my God. No, seriously, so good. It's like fantastic.
How about some Ferrero?
Let me try this. By the way, that brownie, you would never know that does not have eggs and milk and flour in it. It's impossible to tell. It's fantastic.
And it's only sweetened by dates.
Only sweetened by dates.
Not even artificial sweeteners.
That's amazing. Do you ever use like agave or something like that too?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit of agave or maple syrup.
And tell me about this now.
So it's Ferrero. It's our take on the very healthy, not healthy Ferrero Rocher sweet, but very delicious. And if you taste it, you might not know the difference, but it's definitely.
My God! Wow.
It's much healthier version.
And these are similar ingredients, right?
Yes, as I'm saying.
What's amazing is though it has a totally different taste. That's incredible. Like it has its own unique flavor, even though it's like similar ingredients. Wow.
Ratio and the spices makes the difference.
It has a nice kick to it, almost like a little bit of a spice, kind of a cinnamon.
There's cinnamon.
Oh my God, guys. No, I'm like so happy right now. So good. What about this one?
So those are our take on a actual. I just forgot.
That's okay. It looks like coconut, is it?
Yes, Raffaello.
Okay.
So these are our raw Raffaello. Which are again the same ingredients,
okay,
but it's mostly on the coconut side with the almond inside. So
are you guys ready? Here we go. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so coconutty.
Yeah.
And it tastes like so incredibly like a totally different flavor. It has like a burst of like cool flavor to it when you bite it. The other's like more dense, like the chocolate brownie is a more dense brownie. Really delicious, like perfectly sweetened flavor. It's like just perfect. And the other two, but completely different flavor here. It's so good. And do you and Katerina come up with the different flavors?
Yes, she's the one who does the production, and
wow.
And I'm the one who tastes it and tell her this is delicious. It can be a little better, and then she comes up with another version, and then we compare between, and the best one are sold out. That's
so terrific, though. It's so great. I hope you guys can kind of see their brand new flyer here, a little postcard flyer. And again, it's culiraw.com. And let's try this terrific giant one.
So it's cashew caramel.
Oh my God.
Which is like an actual dessert with, the layer of the bottom and then the cream on top.
Cashew caramel. Wow, Jesus. Wow, this is so good. Okay, here I go.
There you go.
Wow. That's so great. Describe what's in this again.
So the layer on top is like a cashew and caramel cream.
Okay.
And the bottom it's again some nuts and cacao.
This is so great. And by the way, do you know how many calories each piece would be if you had to judge it?
So I know the peanut butter cup over here that I'm holding is about 200 calories.
Is that per piece?
Per piece, yes. So they're not low on calories, which we are actually trying to cut the calories down.
Okay.
Trying out some new ingredients. But, you know, if you're gonna have dessert, you might as well have it sweet. So it's not like those empty flavor desserts that are super healthy and you still crave the sweet. This is actually satisfy your craving.
That's really true.
And, you know, all the nuts give you all the nutritions, vitamins, enzymes, minerals. So you can have it as a healthy snack.
I was just going to say, guys, keep in mind that the average dessert might be upwards of like 1,000 calories in some cases. So 200 calories for a dessert is like almost nothing.
Exactly.
Which is fantastic. And the great thing about it, too, is that these are 100% healthy ingredients. That's massive, right?
And it has a lot of fiber, so it fills you up. So you don't feel like, you know, I want more, I want more, I want more, because you actually get full.
Exactly.
At a certain point.
I mean, like, it's literally, like, so filling. And I personally 100% vouch for how delicious this is. It's fantastic. Let's try the butter cup, by the way.
Peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter cup right here, just so you guys can check it out, which is very exciting. Do I just pull it over here? Hold on, I don't... Actually, wait. I might just
rip it off.
I'm just gonna, I don't want to ruin the terrific display. I'm gonna pull one out right here. There you go. You can still hold it up.
Yes.
Oh my God, guys, I'm excited about this because I'm like a peanut butter aholic. I'm a peanut butter aholic, right?
This one is sensational.
You guys can see this, hopefully. So great. Oh God, wow. Ladies, I'm sorry, I'll be marrying this, okay? You've been great and I appreciate all of you, but this is now my new love, okay? This is fantastic, wow. Oh my God. No, seriously? Yeah, okay, no, like wow. Am I like chocolate faced right now?
You're good.
All over here?
No, you can lick your fingers, it's fine.
Oh, so good. Thank you. I can like this is gonna be my lunch, my breakfast, my lunch, then my dinner.
No, it's not gonna last that long. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be gone after this video.
Exactly. Oh my God, it's so good, guys. Now listen. Okay, I have always been like, no disrespect to Reese's peanut butter, which I love. Okay, I love Reese's peanut butter cups. This is like the real deal. Like, no joke. The difference, just so that you guys understand what the difference is. You taste it immediately. You can taste the melting chocolate as you bite it with like a kind of slight nutty crunch to the peanut butter in the middle, which is astonishing to me.
Yes.
Like, I'm blown away by this. It's so good. As where, like, for example, if you have a peanut butter cup in a store that you get or something, or prepackaged candy, it's like, it's good, but it's like you can kind of taste like the dry peanut butter in there. It's like dry, you know?
Yes.
Right, and it's also like the chocolate is more like a processed. You know, they have like wax on it. If you ever put like chocolate in the refrigerator, it turns with a white glaze on it, which is actually wax that they use. I think is like a nice shine, and they put preservatives in it and stuff like that, which they have to do because they're distributing so worldwide to that stuff. But if you want to taste a true chocolate peanut butter cup, wow, you have to get this, guys. It's so good.
And everything's made of the scratch, even the chocolate.
Everything's made from scratch, like she said. The chocolate, everything like that. So she actually melts the chocolate down. And
no, not the chocolate, the cocoa butter.
The cocoa butter, okay.
Yes, with cocoa powder.
Wow, that's so exciting.
You know.
That's so exciting. Now, is there a number they can call, or just the website is the main thing?
So you can go over to our website, and there are numbers, and there's a contact list. We have a web store on the website.
So fantastic. Wow.
You can get all the information regarding the desserts, regarding the location, our pop-up locations, the store we deliver to, everything. You know, you can send us love, comments. orders.
That's right. Yeah, and guys, listen, it breaks down to roughly $2 per piece, and they have this special $55 gift set that has literally all of this in one box. So you're literally, it's as if you're buying like $2 per piece, which is an incredible deal. So to get it for 55 and get everything in there, I think, what is it, like 19 pieces or something like that?
Yeah, it's about 20 pieces.
22 pieces actually, right?
22?
Is it 22, 23?
Something like that.
Something like, it's a lot of pieces. So it's roughly a little over $2 a piece. It's like great, totally worth it.
It should last you throughout the Christmas if you can last not to touch it.
I say one day, and then you won't move for the rest of the week because you're going to be like in chocolate, delicious heaven. Okay? It's so great. Guys, I can't recommend this highly enough. It's so good. And please make sure to subscribe and follow for updates. We're going to have updates with you guys coming soon because every holiday there's a different treat with different desserts and brand new designs, cakes, pies. Tell them some of the other things. Just give them a little preview.
So you can also get tiramisu, carrot cake, strawberry cheesecake, chocolate cake, chocolate matcha cake, chocolate raspberry cake, and all many deviation of chocolate and fruits together, which is paired perfectly. You know, we sell 6-inch cakes, 9-inch cakes,
all different
slices. We can do wedding cake, baby shower.
Oh, that's great. Is it all on the website too?
Everything's on the website.
Oh, so again, culiraw.com, as I said before. It's so great. My favorite, which you didn't mention, is my all-time favorite.
Which one?
The banana chocolate.
Oh, banana chocolate.
Tell them about that. It's so good.
It's a heaven. That was the one that converted me. I tried it. It was my first ever dessert I tried that Katerina made, and I was like, whoa! Where this been all my life?
Totally. It's so good. And how would you describe the mix of ingredients in that?
So again, you have 3 different layers. So you have a chocolate, which is just the chocolate on top. Then you have the banana and cashew cream sort of layer, and then you have the crust, which is mostly nuts, some cacao, and that's it.
And listen, guys, I can't even explain to you. It's like kind of like a massive giant peanut butter chocolate cup, but it's like a huge pie, and the slices of banana on top with the banana cream filling and all this. It is absolutely like stupendous. It's so phenomenal. So guys, make sure to subscribe for updates. Make sure to follow us in the description below on our social media. Their social media is all culiraw, so just go ahead and put @culiraw, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, you know, right, Twitter as well?
We don't do Twitter as yet.
Not yet, but it will come.
It will.
Right. And their website, culiraw.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please post your comments below. Make sure to tell us your favorite gluten-free, vegan, incredible desserts that are raw, and tell us all of your favorites. And make sure, again, to subscribe for updates. We're going to have an update and bring you back again so you can share your next group of desserts with us. And guys, this has been comic book artist, writer, and director Graig Weich from BeyondComics.tv. Hence, you guys here in my studio if you're wondering what these things are. And as they say in comics, to be continued. Peace.